Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure Claude Desktop to use MCP. So this is the basic configuration file of Claude Desktop where if we break down each key in this JSON file, okay, the first one is MCP server. So this is the main object that contains the configurations of different MCP servers, okay. So if you look at the second key, okay, which says file system, okay, it represents a specific type of MCP server that operates on a file system. Okay, the third key is command. Okay, it specifies that the command to be executed. Okay, which command needs to be executed on the server. In this case, we are using npx, which is a Node.js package runner. Okay, so npx will allow you to execute npm packages without globally installing them. Okay, and the last key that we are using is args. It is an array of arguments passed to the npx command. Okay, so we are passing. If you see, we are passing the directory over here, which says MCP. Okay, and the this one is the name of the npm package. Okay, so it is basically to provide the file system based server functionality for MCP. So this is the configuration file that I already configured in my Claude desktop, and after configuring this you got to restart your Claude desktop. I'll quickly open the Claude desktop now. Alright, so as you can see, I've already rebooted it, restarted the Claude desktop. Let's look into the configuration over here under developer. Click on, as you can see, we have this file system uh, MCP server which is already configured. Alright, if you want to edit a config, you can edit it from here. You can see the arguments that we have already done, like passed to the in the configuration probably. So let's close it and let's give it a prompt like this. Uh, Tell me the contents of MCP directory. So in C drive, I already have a directory which is containing 3 files. All right, it will ask you for the permission, so you can allow it for the chat. So as you can see, it is getting the details from the directory. It is connecting to the file server, I mean my local file system. And as you can see, we already have these 3 files listed in my MCP directory, MCP data 1, data 2, data 3. Okay, if you want, you can ask it as a uh, following question. You can ask it to list the contents of the file. But this is how the MCP uh, configuration works with Claude Desktop. You can have a similar functionality with any model, any tool, uh, or any of your AI application that is using any AI model. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.